Okay, so when you are dealing with junctions, first of all, as you are approaching the junction, make sure you know if that's an open junction, if that's a closed junction. If it's an open junction, how do you deal with it? If it's a closed junction, how do you deal with it? And if you got no time, so as you're going in, your car is too fast, you don't have enough time, what do you do? How do you get more time to deal with the junction? Let's go and do some practice to understand those things. So at the end, I'm going to go right. Okay, so for me to go right, mirror, mirror, signal right, it's a closed junction, meaning I'm going to stop anyway. I'm going to stop, okay? So I'm going to go to my side after this parked car, come to my side. So just to explain in brief so that you fully understand the difference between an open junction and a closed junction. What is an open junction and what is a closed junction? This junction we are approaching, it's a closed junction. Why? Is because we cannot see who's coming from the right, who's coming from the left early on. Why? Because of the obstructions on this side. If it was open, it means there is no obstruction on this side, and from early on we could see who's coming from the left and who's coming from the right, which means we could make early decisions whether to go or stop. And I'm going to stop. So I got plenty of time here because I needed to stop. I couldn't see. It was a closed junction, so I had more time to assess. The problem is when you have an open junction or a junction where you don't have to stop, that's where the problem is for many learners. Second road on the left. That's first. Second road on the left. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Okay? And check my position. Cover the brake. I'm not braking, I don't need it. Now I'm going to slow down a little bit more and I'm going to go in. Mirror. So what did I do? I timed myself where the junction was. I'm going to go left here. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Okay? Off gas. I'm not doing anything. Just cover the brake. Brake little bit. Brake little bit. How did I get time? Because I reduced the speed by braking a little bit. I'm going to go left here. Mirror, mirror, signal left. This one is a closed junction, which means I'm going to stop anyway, which means I got plenty of time now to look. Like I said, closed junction, you get more time because you're going to slow the car right down or you're going to stop. The problem is the one you don't have to stop. These are the problem. Mirror, mirror, I'm going to go left, signal left. Closed junction again, which means I'm going to stop here. I got plenty of time. First gear, and then I'm going to edge. I'm going to edge. And no one coming. I'm going to go. So this one was closed and I had plenty of time. Okay, let's do the other one where we don't have to stop. How do I time? Next road on the left. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Okay, cover the brake, cover the clutch. Brake a little, brake more. Here, go to second gear. As I bring the clutch up, if I feel the speed is still too high, keep braking. Okay, so as you bring the clutch up after changing gear, if you feel the speed is too high, keep braking as you bring the clutch up. You're going to get more time. I'm going to go left, mirror, mirror, signal left. Close junction again, which means I got plenty of time to assess. Next road on the right, mirror, mirror, signal right. Okay, check my position, meaning left of center. Cover the brake and the clutch. So in second gear, I'm going to brake a little bit, look into the road and go in. So what did I control the car with? Control it with the brake. Just cover the brake and just little brake if you need to. If you don't, just let it roll. Left here, mirror, mirror, signal left. Like I said, here, no problem. There's no one coming. I'm going to go right next road. Mirror, mirror, signal right. Okay? Cover the brake and the clutch. There's a car coming. I'm going to stop around here. First gear. I needed to stop here because they had the priority. So what did I do? I stopped, pushed into first gear, and then they gone, I went. I'm going to go right here, mirror, mirror, signal right, closed junction, no problem, which means I will slow the car right down, first gear, and then look both way. Is the car coming? I'm going to wait for that car. Okay, he wants to go that way, or she. And I'm going to go now. Okay. Mirror, second gear. Mirror, third gear. Okay. It's all about timing. All about time. When you're dealing with junctions, especially, just time yourself, okay? If you need more time, just slow the car. Just brake a little bit gradually. Don't brake hard. Just gradual brake and you get more time. So, example here, mirror, mirror, I'm going to go left. Signal left. Okay? Now I'm going to brake, cover the clutch. Brake, 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 more. Go to second gear. And now as I bring the clutch up, if I feel I need more time, I'm just going to brake a little bit more to slow the car. As I go in, if I feel the speed is high or I need more time, what do? Just brake a little bit more, you'll get more time. Mirror, third gear. It's all about slowing the car on time. The only way you're going to get more time is if you slow the car. As soon as you slow the car, what happens? You get more time. Next road on the left. Mirror, mirror. And I'm going to signal around here. Signal left. Brake, brake, brake. More brake, more. Cover the clutch, but just brake. Keep braking. I go more time. Second gear. And I'm going to bring the clutch up. And if it's not enough, I'm going to brake a little bit more. Speed is 20 now. Mirror. Give gas. So what did I do? I went to second gear and I needed more time. So what did I do? I brake a little bit more. Sometimes the junction, the road that you're going in is quite narrow, which means you need more time. And what do? You slow the car a little bit. We're going to go left over there. Mirror, mirror, signal left. So cover the brake and the clutch. Brake, brake, brake. More brake, more. Go to second gear. I bring the clutch up and look at the speed. Because I've slowed down enough for the junction, I had the time. If the speed was high, what do you think I should do? I should brake more to get more time. I'm going to go right here. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. This is open junction. Open. So what is second gear? There's no one coming.
Now this junction is open. Why? Is because there's no obstruction on this side and we could see the left and right clearly early on so that we could make the decisions early. This is open because there's no obstructions on this side.
There's no one coming. I don't have to stop. I'm just gonna go. Okay? So if it's open junction, what do? You look early, slow the car, and do the MSPSL routine, mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. And if there's no one coming, you should be going. I'm gonna go right at the end. Mirror, mirror, signal right. So what do? It's a closed junction. So what am I gonna do? Slow the car, push into first gear. Can't see anything. Now I can. There's no one coming, and I go. Okay, this was a closed junction. I couldn't see early, so I approached the line under 10, go to first gear, and then if there's no one coming, carry on going. If you need any help on learning to drive and to pass a driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course has everything, including the junctions, how to deal with junctions, open and closed junctions. It has videos on there. So everything you need, the course has. It is designed for learner drivers. Everything a learner needs, the course has. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. So just to give you a brief, what we've been doing is that when you're dealing with junction, you're going to get junction which is closed, you're going to get junction which is open, and you need to decide early what kind of junction you are dealing with. If you're dealing with a junction where you can't see anything, meaning it's a closed junction, what do? You approach in a way. So you do look at the mirrors, you put the signal on whichever way you're going, and then approach in a way you might have to stop. When you go near to the junction and there's no one coming, push into first gear, carry on going. If there's someone coming, you stop, wait until you find a gap. If it's open junction, that means look at the mirror, put the signal on, and then slow the car, maybe go to second gear just before the line, keep the speed going, and if there's no one coming, you should be going because you know there's nobody there. If there's someone there, then obviously you're going to stop. Okay? And if you need more time, what do? You time yourself. And the way you get more time is if you slow the car down. Remember, the secret is to slow the car. The only way you buy time is if you slow the car. If you don't slow the car, then what does that mean? You're not going to get any time. You're just going to go, the car's going to just go, and you're going to have enough time. And this is when learners fail because they end up going where they shouldn't when they're going left or right. Okay? So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And please do make a comment what do you think of the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.